Could you be the one? Go, go, go.
What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is a criminal activity that either targets or uses a computer network or network device.
My name is Lumawal Abingdil. Now I will explain cybercrime law. A cybercrime law means who will make libelous or malicious posting on the internet will be liable under the law. In my opinion, it is for the good of everybody that social media will now be controlled. All of us will be protected, and once abolished, we have justice within our reach.
What security mistake company make? The most common mistake company make when securing data is failing to understanding the potential impact on the organization if it is lost or stolen. This is done through cyber security risk assessment process.
What is the problem of cybercrime? Cybercrime violates individuals' privacy and the security of their data, particularly hacking, malware, identity theft, financial fraud, medical fraud, and certain offenses of personal information, messages, images, and video and audio recordings without individuals' consent or permission, cyberstalking, cyberharassment, and cyberbullying.
Criminals always option for an easy way to make a big money. They target rich people or organizations like banks, casino, financial firms, where a huge amount of money flows and daily hacks sensitive information.
I'm Ronelyn Yapitan. How can we protect ourselves in the Internet of Things? So we can protect ourselves in the Internet by taking care of our posts and sharing and not talk to strangers. Thank you.